So I have a new galvanized raised garden bed from ANLEOLIFE. I have worked with them before, and they did send this one over for me to try out. Well, they sent these ones last year, and they're really nice planters. I have one with an apple tree and one with a blueberry bush in it. Now these are super easy to put together. They do take a few minutes to assemble. What I really like about this one though, and most of theirs, is that they're a little bit taller. Now with the galvanized steel, these are going to last for years. All right, so like I mentioned, these are really easy to put together. We have two different panels. They do have a bit of weight to them. They do hurt when they land on your foot. And then in this bag we have our instructions, and we also have a couple pairs of gloves to wear. And actually these aren't too bad compared to some of the gloves that come with things. And then we have a screwdriver along with all our bolts and nuts. So everything you need to get going. Now like I mentioned, these are super easy to put together, and we're going to put 3 panels together, the curved ones, and then we're going to repeat it for the other end. All right, so all we're doing is lining these up. And you're going to do this all the way down, and then we're going to connect the other panels. And then we'll connect our third one. This is going to be a really nice sized garden bed. All right, once you have those 3 connected together, we could do the same thing with the other 3. All right, so once we have these 2 sets together, we can start working on our side panels. And we're going to have 2 of these side panels on each side. I love the size of this one already. And then we're just going to get these attached. And then the final step with this one is we have these bracing rods that we need to put in. On these side panels, you're going to leave a couple holes empty. So you're going to leave 3 sets of holes on each side for these rods to be able to be placed in there in order to help reinforce the whole thing. There, that's pretty much it. Now we have a really large galvanized garden bed. And you can see that this one is a massive size. If I remember correctly, this one is 8 feet long by 4 feet wide and 2 feet tall. So it is a really nice size one. This is one of the largest ones. But it's heavy duty, really easy to put together. It just takes a few minutes. It's galvanized steel, so it's gonna last for up to like 20 years or more. It's gonna last a lot longer than wood beds. And this is just gonna be really nice to grow in. Now our weather's been getting down into the 20s. It's still freezing and everything, so I can't really grow anything quite yet. So I will update once I can get stuff growing in here. And I want to get several more garden beds because I'm going to have a ton of gardens on my property. But if you're looking for a really nice raised garden bed, this one's from ANLEOLIFE, and I have used several of theirs in the past. I love them. They're great quality, and they look really nice. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.